So the debt management office just released the savings bond for the month of November, and I'm here to give you a practical video on how I'll be investing 100,000 naira in the FGN Savings Bond. So you should check this video if you want to go about investing in the FGN Savings Bond. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now, before you invest in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond, you need to get yourself a brokerage account. We've done that already in our past video. You should create a brokerage account. It can be Afrinvest 2.0. Create a brokerage account, get yourself a CHN number and also a CSCS number. Once you've gotten this number, you can get started with the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond. Now, you should understand that the portal to invest in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond is usually the first working week of the month, so it's Monday to Friday. Now, they have released the subscription and you can get started. I'll be using Afrinvest as my brokerage company to invest in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond. But before you go ahead investing, you must have filled this form. Once you fill this form, the next thing is that you need to fund your wallet, and I've funded my wallet. So, and I've also filled this form and I've snapped the form because to get to the point where I have to upload this form. Now, without further ado, let's dive into my screen for us to know how to go about investing in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond. Now you can see on my screen, it's an email I got from Afrinvest, how I will go about investing in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond. If you are using them as your brokerage company, they'll be sending you an email like this. You can see all that it's expiring on Friday. That's 9 a.m. on Friday. If you go down, you'll see that this is how to get your subscription form and how to get started. You have to fill out the form, and now you have to complete your form and have to click here to fill out your details. Once I click there, a new tab will open for me to get started with investing. Once it opens, the next thing I'll do, I'll click on start. Once I click on start, it'll start asking me some question. Yes, I'll click on I have gotten the form, just I have to continue. So just click on continue. I've gotten the form. For accounts, since I'm individual, I'll click on individual account. After that, I'll put in my name, that is my surname first, that is Nehemiah Emmanuel. Yeah, Emmanuel Asime. So after putting in my name, next thing I'll move forward, put in my email. So Emmanuel. After putting in my email, I'll be asked to put in my phone number. After that, they will then ask me my address. Now, all the information you're putting should tally with what is in this form. So I should be very much careful with all the information I'm putting down there. So states, that's Rivers, country Nigeria. Then the next thing I'll have to put in my CHL number, sorry, CSCS number, so it's your own personal number. After that, I'll put my CHL number. That one is starting with C. So I'll put in my bank detail because of when it's time for payment. So I'll put in my account number there. So what's my account number now? So after that, I'll put in my BVN. I have to close hide the screen now for BVN. So after keying in your BVN, you have to cross check if it's correct. If it's correct, you proceed. Then I'm going for a 3-year tenor. I'm not going for the two. The amount I'm investing 100,000. How many zeros have I included? Okay, that's it's correct. Yeah. Okay. And I have to put in my the form for the the form. I have to upload the form now. So Once you're done uploading the form, you then upload your payment proof. Kindly fund your wallet, then screenshot your balance in your wallet. So once you're done with screenshotting your balance, you now have to upload it from here. Once you're done with all that, you then click on submit. So it will be showing submit on your account, and they will show you thank you, your response has been submitted. So once you're done with that, an email will be sent to you in just few minutes of some hours time. So once the email is sent to you, all you have to do is that you have to wait. Once they withdraw the money in your investor account, it will not take some weeks or less than few days. They will then put it in your portfolio, so which means you've invested in federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond. If you have any question, do what to drop it in the comment section. I'll reply all your questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Don't forget also to like this video so that it will reach out to lots of persons. Till our next one, peace.